Yes, after you have launched the Microsoft Excel and you see the spreadsheets workspace here, we're gonna look at we want to exploit the window. Let's know which is which in the part of the screen. Now here we have number one, we have the file tab. The file tab contains the information about the Excel file. Information about the Excel. So you want to save as a new file or a different file name. You want to open an existing file, you want to close the Excel, you want to get information about the Excel information about your application. You want to see the recent files, you want to open new file, you want to open new to ask you question, you want to open new with any of these options. You want to print, you see the print, we give you print preview. You want to save and send, or you want to go to F or option. You go back. Now the next thing is we have quick we have the ribbon panel. Ribbon panel starts from this particular side, this bar to this place, and everything here is ribbon panel. Everything here is ribbon panel. We also have what we call ribbon tabs. This is the ribbon tabs. All these home, insert, page layout, formula, data. Those are the four ribbon tabs. In each tab, it has embedded commands. The commands are inside. When you click on home, you see the commands are grouped together. They are grouped together. We have font group, we have alignment group, we have number group, and we have cell group. All these are commands. All these icons are commands that we use for a specific thing. We also have what we call the title bar, which is above this bar. The title bar is above here. It's above this ribbon panel. We also have the F. The F. There is the F2. F button in case you have a need of anything. Now we come to the row. This is a row. We click on this, a row. The rows are structured in serially 1, 2, 3, 4, going to over 1 million, and the columns are structured A, B, Z. When you get to Z, and come back. So we have the row column bar and we have the row bar. Excel has a workbook, and the workbook have worksheet inside, like an exercise book. They have different exercise book have different sheets inside. So in workbook, this is a workbook. Then we have the worksheet, worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3. If you need more worksheet, you click on this icon. You click on it, or you press the Shift and 11. You can click on it. You can rename the worksheet. Right click on it, rename, call it student details. Student details. Press enter. That's the worksheet student details. You can go to this. You can write test score. Press enter. You can also come back here and give it a color. Right click on it, tap color, give it a color. Right click on it, give it a green color. So this is the introduction. So you find out that we can actually work. An intersection of a column and a row is what we call a cell. So we can go here and increase size here. You can also increase the width, the height here. So this is a cell. The current cell has a border, a thick border like this. And the current cell is identified by what we call a name box. name box here. When you click the current, you look up here, we have the current identity of the cell, because we have many cells, hundreds of thousands of cells, but the current cell will show you where we are. We have A1. We'll go to the next one, B1, on the same row, means the combination of a column name A with row name 1, that's A1. We go to this one, A2. It shows where we are. Even though you are down here, you can know that it's J15. So that's the introduction. Then we can have the scroll bar here. The scroll bar, you can scroll right and left. We scroll here, press it, and go to Z. See, when you get to Z, this is the last alphabet. But when we in turn, we combine AA, AB, and if you scroll down, you can see how it's combined like that. So this is the introduction to Windows. That's exploring the window. Thank you.